Hi folks, Joe Mull here, and I am so excited having just finished a 2-hour virtual interactive workshop with 50 leaders from an organization in Tennessee that focused on developing our commitment competency as leaders. How do we show up in such a way that we get others who work for us to care and try and give their all? This is a program that was supposed to be an in-person full-day leadership masterclass in April. And as you can imagine, with the pandemic, we weren't able to gather together like that. So instead, we postponed it and then circled back this summer to create a series of smaller bite-sized workshops where we brought everyone into the room with me right here in our virtual broadcast studio. I have set up in our space a multitude of cameras and angles that we can use to have a lively, interactive virtual program. So when I am broadcasting with our clients, I've got them all up on the screen here. As you can see, there's a camera right there which gives you this view, but which I can also toggle to some different views. I can bring you in close for a little bit more of an intimate conversation. There are times when I will do an over-the-shoulder view, and I will use this over-shoulder view to do graphics like you might see in a news broadcast to share them on the screen with our folks. We also, if you see that flip chart back there, we also have what I call flip chart cam. And so with the group that we had this afternoon, we had a really lively discussion about how people show up in the workplace, about how some folks are engaged, some folks are actively disengaged, and some folks are not engaged, and the impact they have on the workplace. And then what we as leaders need to do to move people out of these buckets and over into this one. What's nice is that because of our broadcast studio, no matter where I go in the room, I can see them and they can see me. When I'm doing the flip chart cam, I've got this screen right here set up so that I can see folks on the screen and interact with them. This is a challenging environment that we find ourselves in these days. If we are going to continue getting better as leaders, if we're going to work on ourselves, if we're going to develop the knowledge, skills, and beliefs needed to get people to care and try and give their all, then we must make sure that we are still making time for development. We must make sure that we are pulling the car over and filling it up for gas every once in a while. If we don't do that, we will never get to our destination. So if you are planning a conference, an event, a remote meeting of some kind, and you want to pull your people together in an effort to help them show up differently, to help them say and do new things and get better results, let me know. Head over to joemull.com, fill out the contact form, and let me know how I can be of service to you. I'd love to spend time with your leaders helping them boss better. Thanks for watching.